Arch has a very focused mission, is to become a true partner to all of our customers. But we really want to be integral to their development processes and make sure we exceed all of their expectations with regard to delivery, quality, and customer service. Arch has definitely grown through acquisition. That is certainly not a secret. And we're quite proud of how we've been able to acquire a number of different businesses and bring everybody together under one culture, under one Arch. One of the key visions for Arch going back very early on was to achieve diversification. Diversification in terms of the customers that we serve, of the capabilities that we bring to the market, and diversification of the end markets that we serve. We've been able to achieve that through these acquisitions, as well as continuing to reinvest in the existing businesses to drive organic growth. We also want to be a solution for the ownership groups, and oftentimes that's a family, and sometimes it could be a second generation or third generation. And so one of the things that's really appealing for owners is to partner with Arch, have us really bring resources that can help them get to that next level. Oftentimes we have smaller businesses that don't have access to capital, may not have the depth of technical resources to be able to meet their customers' needs. When they become part of the Arch Group, we make investments that perhaps they otherwise couldn't make, and really leverage the existing skill sets that are resident within these businesses. Our primary focus is the industrial distribution market, where our cutting tool product goes. We also have a focused business that serves the medical market, which we call Arch Medical Solutions. And finally, we have our Precision Components Group, which serves at several different industries, but tends to have more of an emphasis around the aerospace and defense. Each one of these different elements of the business is highly complementary to the other. We have a culture where everybody feels very open to reach out to their counterparts and colleagues across the organization to do what's right for the customer and for the business. Arch has a few things that really differentiate us from our competition. We can bring a number of different solutions that really creates a synergy for the customers by virtue of all the different things that we can do for them. We also have the ability to access capital to quickly scale up and support their programs. We have a redundancy of production capabilities, and so that really provides a nice risk management tool. A real point of pride for Arch is the environment that we create. These are very modern facilities where we've invested very heavily into automation and into cleanliness and organization. Creating the right environment for our people is absolutely paramount to our success. We tend to focus on the most difficult, hard to manufacture parts that exist in industry. We do a lot of work where there's interaction between our engineering teams and the teams of the customer to develop a solution. Once that solution has been identified and vetted for design for manufacturability, we then go into prototypes, ramp that up into production to support whatever requirements the customers may have. We have over 40 degreed engineers across the company, and that number grows every single year. The engineering is critical because the difficulty of the applications that our customers present to us requires a great deal of knowledge and expertise. At Arch, we have a very strong leadership team. We've certainly hired some skilled executives from the outside, but we've also been able to bring in some leadership through our acquisitions. And so we have a combination of different perspectives from folks who have never been with the company and came in, as well as individuals who really grew up in their businesses. A lot of our leadership team tends to be very technical. We have a lot of engineers who have evolved and grown into more senior management type roles. We have strength in not only the core competencies of machining, but also all of the support organizations, including our human resources, our information technology, that really span the entire scope of all of our facilities. The future for Arch is really bright. We've established the vision, we've established kind of the foundation for this company. At Arch, we really believe in the revitalization of manufacturing. There's nothing but tremendous opportunity in front of us, and I'm excited to have everybody in our organization supporting this and advancing us and the entire country forward.